Daily use English sentences at home. I love you, mom. I love you, mom. Could you bring me a glass of water? Could you bring me a glass of water? Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I will get up early in the morning. I will get up early in the morning. She is not my cousin's sister. She is not my cousin's sister. Where is the father? Where is the father? They are my friends. They are my friends. I am going to the playground. I am going to the playground. It is very hot today, isn't it? It is very hot today, isn't it? I want more money. I want more money. I am sick today. I am sick today. I remember everything. I remember everything. Have a heart. Have a heart. Did you miss your bus? Did you miss your bus? I missed my school bus. I missed my school bus. I just made it. I just made it. I love to play video games. I love to play video games. I apologize. I apologize. Thank you, mummy. Bye. Thank you, mummy. Bye. Mom, do you need anything? Mom, do you need anything? Your father is about to come. Your father is about to come. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.